Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Doom mods on Android. We'll cover everything from getting the right application to launching your favorite custom content. This easy guide will help you transform your mobile gaming experience, bringing countless hours of new gameplay to your fingertips. You'll be surprised how straightforward it is to set up, allowing you to dive into a vast universe of fan-made levels and enhancements. First, you'll need the Delta Touch app, available for a small fee on your Android App Store. This powerful application acts as a comprehensive source port. Next, you'll need your original Doom game files, often called eWAD, like Doom 2. WAD. You can usually find these by installing Doom on a computer and copying them. Finally, download any mod files you wish to play, which are commonly in PK3 or WAD format. Once Delta Touch is installed, create a new folder on your Android device, perhaps named Delta Touch or Doom Mods. Now, connect your phone to a computer and transfer all your collected eWAD and mod files into this new folder. Delta Touch is designed to automatically detect these files, making the setup process quite seamless. Ensure all your files are in one accessible location for easy management. With your files in place, open Delta Touch. You'll see a list of detected eWAD. Select the one you want to play. Then, tap the Mods button, usually found at the bottom right, to add your downloaded mod files. You can add multiple mods, creating unique combinations. After selecting your mods, simply hit play to jump into your customized Doom adventure. Enjoy the enhanced gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.